I'm about to try and install some fender flares on my truck. What could go wrong? Here's everything I think I'm gonna need. Plus the flares themselves. It's always when you start filming, there's a lot of noise now. There's a train going by. Anyway, rough country sent me some shit, so let's see if we can get it on the truck. We got these amazing Fender flares. Yeah, can I get this out of the bag? Hold on, let's see if we can get this out of here real quick. Oh my God. Oh yeah, tell me that doesn't look cool. Oh yeah, so these bad boys are gonna go around the truck. It's gonna look sick. Let's see if I can show off real quick. Now, I personally have never done this before, so this should be an adventure for everybody. So I think first things first, get everything out. I don't know where I'm gonna put it all, but here we go. How cool does that look? Sick. Thought I'd already made my first mistake and that the sticker that says which side they go on was on the bag, but it's inside it. You can hear me over the train. Very important. Very important. Shit. This thing will go here, and I think it'll look so sick along this thing, man. This is gonna look so sick. I already know it. There's no shot I'd mess this up, right? Right? Let's see what our first thing to do is. What's step number 1? Where is step number 1? Why is this backwards? What the hell? What does it say do? Front flare scissor piece installation. Oh, I gotta put stuff together. You install scissor piece to make front flares using 2 supplied 8-speed clips and head screws. What does that even mean? I think it wants like this. Then, what side is it? The left. That was my left front. First try, left front. It just wants to like go in like that? Like, it wants like that? Like, I don't know what the hell I'm doing. I really don't know what the hell I'm doing. What are we doing right now? I know I gotta get some stuff out of this. Probably not the smartest of idea to have done this on my tailgate, but I think it's fine, right? That's fine, right? What is a speed clip? You know what I'm saying? Like, what is that? I gotta ask the smart one. Hey, do you know what a speed clip is? Do you know what a speed clip is? It's a real simple question. Do you know what a speed clip is? You don't? I'll figure it out. My assistant doesn't know what a speed clip is. We gotta figure this shit out. So after some investigating, there's a parts list and it shows what the speed, anyway, all right, you know what? Anyway, I got my speed clip. Why are they stuck together? I think it's these little things. Can't even see it because it's like focusing on me, but it's like these little things. And number 8 screws. What are number 8 screws? Number 8 screws. How many are there? There's only 4. Okay. Are they big thread or little thread? There are a lot of thread. Okay, bizarre. I did it. All right, so what has to happen is these guys go together, boom, go into these 2 holes right here. You can see it right there. Then I put this together, and there's 2 of them that then go on the fronts. Shouldn't be that hard. Let's try it. This is before tightening. Make sure that our line tighten screws using the number 2. Yeah. That's it. I'm watching a YouTube video. Hold on. I've watched this video at least 5 or 6 times, so I'm watching a YouTube video. When in doubt, YouTube, Fender flares, rough country. Yo, shout out Rough Country for having this video on YouTube.
Fits a 13mm wrench, a Phillips head screwdriver. Having our flares up on our front.
How'd you do it?
Grab 2 of our quick clips and 2 of our Phillips head screws, the number 8 ones, to get these mounted. So we'll take our quick clips.
Quick clip is in.
We'll send our Phillips head screw through.
So he's doing the small.
We'll get that lined up. We'll get both.
I could do this shit. Hold on. I thought I had lost this. Okay. I did want to happen. I'm already getting scratches on it. That's what I did want to happen. Hey, look, so I just gotta get this thing. Hell yeah, I think. I need a screwdriver. Screwdriver. Is this too big of a screwdriver? I guess it really doesn't matter as long as it works. It's too big. Sometimes size does matter. Okay. We're making stuff happen. Look at that. Because then, if we do that, I can screw shit. How about that? Huh? So now, that next step, now that I did that one, section 2. Peel 2 to 3 inches of red vinyl back away from supply edge trim, applying the adhesive side of the edge trim to the inside of the flare. Fix the edge trim to the top edge of the flare, the portion that comes in contact with the side of the vehicle. I feel like I should do the other part first. What does the video say? That video say.
They're gonna go.
He did the screws first.
The upper.
He ain't followed the instructions. We're doing the bolts first to make it look pretty. Dunskies. So I think now I gotta put the trimmed stuff on it. Okay, so now I gotta line something. I'm gonna watch the video again.
Install 8 total around. And we'll tighten these down with our T45.
Okay, we got that easy. We can do this so easily, all right? All right, so now it says you have to cut the vent, but that is for 2019 to 2022 only. I have a 2025. And so if your vehicle is a 23 model, please proceed to step 12. Step 12 is front flare installation. Using T15 torque bar, remove the 3 factory fasteners indicated by arrows. Holding the factory mud flap on, retain all screws. All what? Screws. Okay, so we gotta go to the front of the truck now. Let's go. I wonder if I should have brought the instructions. Here's this. I'm gonna have to turn the damn time. I need to get this guy out. Take my mud flap off. Is that gonna be a problem? I don't have mud flap. Be a situation. We might have a situation. I gotta see what all gotta do. Okay, take the mud flap off. We already got the mud flap off using a 10mm socket. Yeah, but that's to remove one factory bolt from the mud flap by arrow. Remove the mud flap, pull away from the vehicle. See, I don't have a mud flap, so that's why I'm like, I think it's fine, right? We do this next step then. Attach 2 supplied short U-clips. Okay. Because he wants me to get this out in that little bracket. Attach 2 supplied. Dude, I hate these images. They look terrible. Because I don't know which way this thing's going. Am I recording? I am recording. Okay, if I'm on it like this, here's this thing. Oh, it goes over this. Okay, bet. Okay. Matter what way. It's not. Okay. It's gonna go that. Okay. That. Okay. Remove 2 factory T15 torque screws at top of wheel well as shown. Where? This one or this one? Or that one? I can do this shit, right? That's one. Okay. What are you? Is this one right here? Is this shit like? I can't see it because it's so damn bright. I got the 2. Install top inner bracket using 2 T15 torque screws retained in step 6. Okay, so now put this in like this. We're figuring this thing out, dude. I don't know the first thing about this kind of stuff. What? Oh, it doesn't go through. It doesn't go through that hole. Because then it's like this. Yeah. Right. Then the other one, right. Is here. That step done. Way easier than I thought. Next one. Tell the top bracket user to no. Driver side bracket is marked with LH. Yeah. Now we got 18. Attach 2 supplied front inner bracket as shown. Wait, there's an inner bracket? Where the shit is that at? Hold on. What is this inner bracket? So like in my defense, I really thought these were for the back, so I left them in the back, but here we go, we got them. This is the right front. Here's the lefty. Okay, attach 2 supplied short U-clips on it. Okay, U-clips again. This shit never looks like the picture. I'm sitting like, what the hell? I'm really good at Lego, so I should know how to do this shit. You know what I mean? How's this shit work? 3 of them. Oh, 1, 2, 3. Okay, bet. Okay, take the 3 out. Yes, sir. We figured this shit out. Let's go. Okay. 1, 2, and 3. Okay. Do not remove middle bolt, retain bolts using step 21. Wait. Remove 3 bolts from front bumper and clutches shown as arrows. Do not remove middle bolt. You just said remove it. It says don't remove the middle bolt. Well, it's too fucking late. I removed the middle bolt. What are we doing? Oh, well, this isn't the right one. It's this one. Then it shows a picture of them putting the middle one on. Like, what are we doing? Start 4 supply truss head screws through holes. What is a truss head screw? What is this? Think about this beginning. What is a truss head screw? Oh, it's the fat ones. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4. We're putting the flare on, baby. Let's do this shit then. Okay. Here we go. Okay. We're doing this thing. Okay. All right, now it's Phillip heads. Oh, I got my screwdriver. All right, we good. Ooh, this looks sick. What was it? 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. No. Hold on 1 second. We gotta fix the seam. Damn, look at that. That looks sick. Okay, so like the front one, we have to get the bolts put on the back and also the trim set in. We're gonna do that really quickly, and we're gonna start the process of getting the back fender flare put on. Let's do this. Rear fender all done, bolted and lined. See how to put this thing on. For this step, I need a marker. Alright, okay, let's go then. I'm glad we removed a lot more than 3. So I went grind mode real quick because it's getting late, but look at the back fender. Oh, that is sick. Oh, right, so it's a new day, a little windy, so we're gonna fly through these next 2 fender flares to finish it up. And then we're gonna cut to the end so you guys can see the finished product. I'm excited to be done, let's go. Flares ready, time to put it on. Take it. Isn't the step after this just to put it on now? 29. Okay. All right. I think we're good. On to the front. Thought I had lost these because I don't remember a single thing to do on the front one. I know I gotta undo some things. That's about it. So let's see what we got. Hell yeah. Then I'm thinking I'll just put these back. Curve has to be, hold on. How the fuck's this going? Hold on, I don't ask. Hold on, the curve? Yeah, there it is. Okay, figured it out. Get up on in there. So you can see what it looks like going on. Nice. Over here now. Just finished the last fender flare. This thing looks fucking sick. Wish you guys see it. Ready? Let's check it out. So there you have it, the truck with the new Rough Country Defender fender flares on it. I love it, I'm obsessed. Huge shout out to Rough Country for sending these over. I got a couple more goodies to show you guys. Hopefully the wind's not too bad. Anyway, hope you guys enjoyed the video. I'll catch you on the next one. Peace out.